Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So in this video, first of all, I will explain you two things. First of all, I will explain transcriptor correction in Make. So as you purchase this application from us with Kodak from Kodak Solutions, so you got an email. So in that email, there is a invite link. So you can install this application in Make. So first of all, I will explain you connection. And the second phase, I will little bit play around with this automation, and I will do some part of the automation as well to show how it works. Okay, so with the use case which I built here from Google Sheet to Transcriptor, and it after that save that transcriptor file in Google Dropbox as well, and what else we can do for with this. So after doing this, you can, and what are the modules we can use with the transcriptor is, let me show you some of them definitely. uh, if I around a little bit, let's say here is the no, transcriptor transcriptor. So as you can see, you can export create a transcript using URL, providing a URL. So, and you can do other stuff as well. So let's say I am using, these are the three, I think three modules are already I'm using in this use case. So let's say you have to click on that. So there is an option for you create a connection, but I already did some connection, so that's why I didn't see. So what you have to do, click on add. So then you have to add two things, API key and app code which you get from us via email. So let me for the API key you will get it from the transcriptor. So let's say I save my transcriptor key here in text document. So let me copy this from here and came back here again and paste it here, the API key. So the app code is for me it's just I think so that's a sample for me. Let me just give me a second. 1 2 3 4 5, but you can add the actual one like this which you get in your email, okay, after the purchase of transcriptor from Kodak Solution. Then you have to click on save. So in a moment connection will be done. Yes, so connection is done. Earlier there are one connection, now the second connection is also okay. So let me use the second connection. So click on save. So now let me explain. So this is the connection part, okay, so you understand how to do a connection, and if you still have an issue, so you can contact us as well. So now come to the question about what I am doing in automation. Let's say I have in a Google Sheet, there are URLs, as you can see, the URL and the text. In this automation I didn't add the text in a, again in a, you can say, Google Sheet, but we have a capability, we can just add a update a row after this step, and we can add that. So right now let's say let me click on choose where to start, and let's start the automation. Choose where to start, choose manually. Click on save. Okay, fine. So let's see how it goes. So first of all, it will get a URL from the Google Sheet, and then it will put that URL to transcriptor, and transcriptor will convert that into text. But after converting into text, it will take some time. Then after that, I will use get file content. If I want to use that content as a text form in somewhere, we can use as a text form. And if you want to export it, in while we are doing exporting, we can use PDF and docs file, any file, and after that I am downloading that file, and then I am uploading that file in my Dropbox. So let's wait for 30 seconds. So as let me show the output of the second module at the transcriptor. So as you can see, order ID is there, URL. So it says error. Now let's deep down what's the error is. The error is, let's see, what is the error? Your transcription is failed. So let me see the output file content as well, how it goes. So it is failed. I don't know what's the exact reason here, but definitely we can have to might be wait more time because this is failed. So let's do for the existing you can say our rows which are our existing you can say order ID. So because if the video is long, so that's why it takes some time. So let me unlink this, just give me a second. So I found earlier the issue is that I'm connecting the different account in both Transcriptor because I have different account attached here. So that's why I use different account. So that's why the error occurred. Otherwise there is no issue. Let's try again. So hopefully this time it will work fine. So let me click on run once. So right now in this phase, so after export we can upload in a Dropbox. So we can, this time it will be done. So it's waiting for 30 minutes. Let's see how it goes this time. So the video is too long just because if you can see now it's sleep time is completed and it will further click and so it will download here step. After that I will show you some output as well. If I think it's completed here. If I come to the Dropbox, the new file should be added here in a PDF form. Okay, I will click on recent. So this is the just added file.pdf. Okay, so the same content which happen in this set. So if I show you get a file content option as well, so you can see the file content. Just wait. Here you can see all the things, and with the content, if I click on array, so you can see the content as well. Okay, so if you, but in a different form. So but when we get export format, so then it will be you can say in a file format. So then that's why we save that in a Dropbox. So just wait, it will open it. So as you can see, when open export a transaction, so you can see the pre-designed URL, so you can open it or after that if you can see proper in a text form as well. So this is the benefit of export so the next step is very easy, like upload a get a file to download from, then upload it as ISO. So this is the full explanation of a template, how it works and how it goes. So if you need any assistant, I will save this you can say blueprint as well and upload in my school community as well. So please you can join our school community as well, where you can get a lot of blueprints as well and related to SEO stuff, AI stuff. So you can enjoy that as well. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much.